You don't really need expensive vitamins to treat your eyes. If you're going through macular degeneration, you're seeing vision loss, maybe even dry eyes, you could use seeds. Seeds that are in nature that you can find anywhere in a supermarket that are packed with nutrients specifically designed to improve vision loss and improve vision health. What are they? What is the dosage? What exactly should you do with them to prepare them properly in order for your body to use them? That's what I'm going to reveal to you today in this video. Believe it or not, vision loss has become more common in recent years, and it has done so because we are using screens a lot more than we used to 10 or 20 years ago. Our cell screen, our laptop, computers, everything we see today goes through video, goes through images, marketing. Every single thing we buy, we consume through our eyes, and everything we are actually coming into contact doesn't really have a natural stance to it. It has more of a screen time that is obviously just being detrimental to our eyes. We're seeing more people using lens. We're seeing more macular degeneration. We're seeing more dryness and inflammation. And all of this can be treated with seeds. Seeds that are actually packed with nutrients that some plants in nature do so purposely in order for these plants to survive. We can use them. We can take them. We can prepare them, especially for our eyes. And these are the ones that are going to help you. Number 1, chia seeds contain vitamin E for macular degeneration. Chia seeds aren't just famous for their fiber and omega-3s, they also contain vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects our eyes from cells and oxidative stress. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but vitamin E is actually one of the best vitamins that can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. It's one of the best ingredients for circulation, one of the best vitamins to make sure that all these blood vessels, which are very small in the eyes, stay healthy. And this way, by staying with an irrigation that is proper to the eye, can prevent the degeneration of your macula, which is the best or single best part apart from your retina in the back of your eyes, which are going to process and are going to make sure that these images you see are crisp and clean the way you need them. So go ahead and consume chia seeds every day if you can, at breakfast, as a meal, as a snack. All of the chia seeds you will consume will end up providing you not only fiber, improving diabetes, heart disease, circulation, and much more, but also vitamin E for macular degeneration on your eyes. If you need something natural that contains all these vitamins and more, look for Visofar. Look for multivitamin and On Cardio from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 2, flax seeds for omega-3s and dryness or inflammation. Omega-3s are key to eye health. If you don't have enough, your brain is going to suffer and your eyes are going to get dry. That's why a lot of specialists actually suggest the consumption of fish oil with omega-3s, omega-6 in seeds oil, omega-9 in linseeds oil. But flax seeds are special because they contain omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9. And if you suffer from a dry or irritability on your eyes because of long hours of screen time, well, flax seeds might be able to be your best ally. They're a plant-based source of omega-3, which can lubricate your eyes and reduce inflammation. Don't forget that omega-3 is also found in fish. It's also found in other seeds, but if you take flax seeds, it's going to help you with digestion, circulation, and many other processes important to absorb and use these nutrients on your eyes. If you need something natural that contains fish oil and also flax seeds in every way, shape, and form with omega-3, 6, 9, and much more, look for Vital Flax, Vital E, Visofar, and also D-enzymes from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, pumpkin seeds that contain zinc for vision loss. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they are jam-packed with benefits. Now, they are an excellent source of zinc, which is a mineral essential for the proper function of your retina. Now, I don't know if you knew this, but zinc can actually be a trigger, a catalyst for more than 300 enzymatic functions in your body, meaning it's basically just extremely important you have enough zinc for any single process in your system to be able to work, and your retina is one of them. Zinc can also help the body absorb vitamin A. So if someone has told you to take vitamin A every day because that's great for your eyes, yes, it is. But if you don't have zinc, you can't use it. So it's very crucial that you see something that can help you absorb it and at the same time use it. In this case, they are pumpkin seeds. Try to mix pumpkin seeds, maybe with chia seeds, maybe without them, whatever you want. Just go ahead and consume them. It might help you to get that clear vision you want. You can add them to your salad and reverse any eye condition that you might be seeing because you lack zinc in your diet. If you need something natural for this purpose that contains enzymes to make sure that you absorb the nutrients I'm talking to you about in this video, look for D-enzymes, multivitamin, and at the same time, berberine or Visofar from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Number 4, sunflower seeds to combat free radicals. When we think about vision loss, we don't think about free radicals. Free radicals are those molecules that will damage our eyes because we're aging, because there's a natural process of producing free radicals in our body, and this process will damage the cells in our eyes, on our retina, on our macula. And these seeds, sunflower seeds, are packed with vitamin E. Vitamin E, which will neutralize these free radicals, which will help that aging process be decelerated, which will improve, obviously, sight because you are putting a brake to the aging process of your eyes. This is extremely important because sometimes we think that we need nutrients or circulation, but in reality, many times it's just because we're getting old. After 30, 40, 50 years old, we will need certain nutrients that can neutralize free radicals in order for this to improve. Now, if you need something that can combat free radicals, look for vitamin C like Ultra C1000, Oxy Elixir in capsule form, Bright Caps, which is glutathione that will reduce that free radical in your system, or those free radicals in your system, and improve your eyesight overall. Number 5, sesame, your natural combo to multivitamins. Tiny but mighty, okay? Sesame seeds contain a powerful mix of vitamin E, zinc, and antioxidants. Now together, they prevent eye diseases like glaucoma, cataracts, or macular degeneration, which are 3 of the most common out there because many people are suffering from circulation, from diabetes, from conditions that are just accelerating that aging process of your eyes. These three conditions are a great deal for many people, and a lot of it has to do with the lack of vitamins. Sesame seeds might be one of those options for you. Sesame seeds not only improve all of these factors, but can also improve autoimmune conditions, circulation, bone health, trigger more absorption of calcium, improve blood flow, and many other functions in the body. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and don't forget that seeds are very small but very powerful. And if you know which ones you need, you only have to mix them in order for your eyes to improve. Don't forget to give this video a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.